are pleased to show you the 2009 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, CD changer, power passenger seat, quad seating, anti-lock braking system, running boards, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.